You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. 7 lies that keeps you broke and how to break fast out of it. You have been lied to about money, and this has cost you your freedom. And because you don't want to keep struggling, you need to stay tuned throughout this video. I will be listing the 7 lies that have made you to work so much hard, but your account balance is not increasing. As a matter of fact, your account balance is low. So stay tuned as I expose all of these 7 lies to you and how you can come out of it quickly. When I was younger, I thought buying a car will make you rich. As a matter of fact, for me, I bought 4 cars in one day and I paid dearly for it. You see, I thought savings was boring. I thought investing was very, very risky. And I really don't want to really invest. And that can also be you. Believing that when money comes, it's going to keep coming. As a matter of fact, in as much that I keep hustling, the money will keep coming. But that is a lie. And that is one of the things that I paid dearly for. You must understand that money is water. And because money now water, you must trap it. If you don't trap it, you're going to keep working till you die. Here are the 7 lies you want to fix immediately. Number 1 lie that a lot of people know is that more money will solve all my problems. Now, the truth of the matter is that without structure, control over money, more money equals more mess. I have seen a lot of people that I have trained as a forex trader, and immediately they got hold of money, they begin to malfunction. As a matter of fact, this is not your real face. Your real face will start to show when you have money. I've seen money shoot up the right behavior of people. I've seen people malfunction immediately they got money. And that is the real truth. So if you really want to fix this, you must create a financial structure and system that you can walk by, that will always calm you down when you want to take wrong decisions. For a lot of you that you're just watching, don't forget to subscribe. And I've done training on financial structure and financial strategy. I want you to click on the link that is showing on the screen right now so that you can watch that video and you are good to go. So back to the number 2 lies. Number 2 lie that a lot of you always talk about is that I can always start later. Come on, guys, it's a lie. There are so many things I've always wanted to do. But as I talk to you now, I am just starting a lot of them. Imagine you at the age of 25. You've always thought of buying land and you never bought one land for yourself. As a matter of fact, I bought my first land at 27, 28. But guess what? It took a lot from me. You must understand that this is a lie. And the truth is that time is money's best friend. When you keep delaying, it is expensive. So the best solution to fix this is to automate your savings and automate your investment so that over a long period of time, you can get to where you're going. Don't forget, wealth does not know size. Wealth only knows discipline and consistency. So start, put structure, be deliberate, and I can tell you for free, you will get there. So avoid the lie. Number 3 lies that a lot of people have been told is that budgeting is for broke people. The truth is, the wealthy people, they budget more than anyone that is living. That's it. So you must know that this helps you to have what is called financial clarity. If you are not budgeting, your investment will be open-ended. And because your investment is open-ended, you will be disturbed over a long period of time. Now, what type of budgeting style do I recommend? There are two budgeting styles I recommend. You can follow through what is called the 5 accountable accounting formula, where you have several accounts to solve for different purposes, or you use the 50-30-20 rule that you can drive home with, and you're good to go. When you follow through budget, you will end up financially free. Number 4 lies that a lot of people have been told, and they keep saying it with their mouth. I don't have enough income to be able to invest. I don't have enough to invest. And the truth is that, you see, wealth is not built on size. Wealth is built on consistency. What you want to do is to make sure you are deliberate every single month. Put a fraction of your income aside that you can use to build the future you desire. I have a community where about 120 people, work with me, and we invest every single month on properties, on digital assets, on agriculture, and we do that every single month. If you're interested, you can just comment, I'm interested, I want to join the Wealth Gate community, and we'll walk you through the process of joining. There is no amount that is too small, neither an amount that is too big for you to start investing. Number 5 lies that a lot of people are being told, and they even say by themselves, is that I will never understand money. Now, the truth is that money is not a mystery. It is a skill. And because it is a skill, it means that you can learn it. You just need to dedicate at least 30 minutes every single day to watch video like this and subscribe to a YouTube channel like this, walk through all the videos and put them to work. Then I recommend you get books like my latest book on wealth creation blueprint, as is showing on the screen. You can get that for yourself. I'll put the link to buy the book in the description so that you can begin to learn for yourself. It is not mysterious. It is just a skill, and you can learn it. Number 6 lie, I deserve to enjoy my life now. Yes, it's good to enjoy your life. As a matter of fact, very, very good. However, from experience, the truth is that this poor mindset will steal the future peace that you want to have. So if you value your future peace, then you have to apply what we call delay gratification, which allows you to be able to plan for the future that you can enjoy. Why right now create a play fund, some amount of money that you can use to always enjoy yourself while you are on your way to financial freedom. I totally recommend that you put some money fraction aside. For example, I and my family, we always go out first weekend of every month or last weekend of every month. We go out to a restaurant, a 5-star hotel, we take buffet, we talk around the table. But it is not every week, it is not every night, and it is not every day. It is just a time out, hang out with the family. Why? Because I want to enjoy my life while I'm also investing for the future. I totally recommend that for you if you really want to be financially free. And number 7, which is the last one. Before I say this number 7, if this is your first time on this channel, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a video like this is uploaded. Number 7, I can do it all alone. Even the Liverpool people, they can't walk alone. They need the supporters. Let's get back to it. The truth here is that isolation slows wealth building. Community accelerates it. So I recommend that you join our WealthGate community. We're about 130 people right now that we are investing together every single month on viable portfolio asset like land, agriculture, and we're doing that every month. We inspect, we grow together, and all of that. So if you're interested, you want to comment WealthGate in the comment section, then I will, my team and I will reply on how you can get that, jump on that group. Okay, so you get a mentor who is working with you, or a coach, or just get an accountability partner. It could be your wife, your siblings, your parents, somebody that you can just be accountable to. And with this, you're good to go. Amazing. So this brings us to the end of the 7 lies. These 7 lies are like virus to your wealth creation journey. But now you already know how to fix them. I would like you to comment the lie that you're going to be fixing this week in the comment section. And if you'd like to take it to the next level, you can join our next Financial Freedom Awakening Challenge. It's a 5-day section with me where I break down the budgeting, how to increase your income framework, investment framework, and how you can build legacy for yourself. If you are interested and you're ready to scale up your financial freedom journey, the link is in the description below. Click on it and you join the next meeting. Thank you so much for always following up, and I'm excited that we are here to share with you some amazing journey. If you're new to this community, make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.